from the Sac State transition class.
And I'm Barry Fallon from the Duplex transition class. So we are going to be reading a book to you called Superhero Playbook, Lessons in Life from Your Favorite Superheroes.
By Randall Lodowitz and art by Tim Palin.
So some of the lessons we're going to be reading, we'll start with an introduction, and then we will go into Superman, the brightest in the sky. The Black Panther, leaders are made, not born. Batman, becoming the world's greatest. Spider-Man, a web of responsibility. Wonder Woman, warrior of love. Captain America, no place for bullies. Teen Titans, go with your friends. Captain Marvel, keep moving forward. Swamp Thing, make your world a little greener. Guardians of the Galaxy, no two teammates are alike.
Green Lantern Corps, shining a new light in the universe. Miss Marvel, be sure to stretch. Cyborg, building yourself back up. Iron Man, share your power. Batwoman, be true to yourself. Hulk, smash your anger. Catwoman, 9 lives to get it right. X-Men, no hate, no fear. Robin, a new boy wonder in the Bat family. Squirrel Girl, eating nuts and kicking butts. And then there will be the Heroic Virtue Checklist, Index, and citations.
So here's the introduction. Superheroes are awesome. They have cool suits and fantastic powers. They fight bad guys and save the world over and over again. It is fun to pretend to be like them. You might tie a towel around your neck like a cape, or poke holes in a wool hat and pull it over your face like a mask. But what if you want it to do more than just pretend to be a superhero? What if you actually want it to be one?
Every superhero has an amazing origin story that explains how they became who they are. But you can't go trying to recreate that. After all, you are not an alien like Superman, and if a radioactive spider bit you, you'd probably get sick instead of turning into Spider-Man. Just because you cannot repeat their origins, that does not mean you cannot be a superhero.
Behind every mask and superpower, you will find very real and very valuable qualities that these superheroes have. These traits are things that make them put on their tights every morning and keep doing good. These traits can all be yours if you want them.
In your hands is a special journey into the stories of 20 of the greatest superheroes and teams. If your favorite superhero is missing, let us know and we'll see about adding them if we do another book. We will dig a little deeper past these superheroes' origin stories to reveal what makes them so powerful. You will discover what makes their minds and hearts so strong. Every step along the way, you will also see how you can be just like them. And then you can show the world just how great of a superhero you are.
So, are you up for the challenge? I knew you would be. Let's get started.